How to install VLC Media Player on Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to install VLC Media Player on your Windows. Let's just get started. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your search bar on your browser and search for VLC download. Hit enter and you'll find the official download link for VLC Media Player. Go ahead and open up this link, and from there you can just click on download VLC. So you can see the total number of downloads here as well. It's well over 500 million. So let's just tap on download VLC. And from there you can just start your download. If your download doesn't start, go back to your search icon and find the official one from Microsoft Store. Click on it, and then you can just click on view in store or just tap on download here. It's going to start downloading. Now once you have the exe file, click on it to open it up, and you should be able to download VLC from this installation file. You can also press this download button right here and you'll be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.